today I'm just going to make a short video to explain what's coming up in the channel, because it has been a while since I've made a video, probably about 3 months, but with work constraints and COVID etc, it's been quite difficult to actually come down and make videos. So I'll be going through what's happening with the Nissan, what's the plans for that, and the Carina, which I think a lot of people are quite interested in. I've had quite a few subscribers and a lot of views on the Carina video, so it's getting quite a bit of interest, and we're showing you what the next stages are we're going to be doing for that. I was going to put it up for sale this year, but I think I'm going to wait now until spring, because with the current lockdown etc and with the COVID situation, I think it's going to be better wait until then, and then it'll be up for sale. If anybody's interested, you just drop me a message below and you can come and see it next year hopefully. So first things first, let's go and have a look in the garage at the Nissan, and then we'll talk through the Carina bits. So as for the Nissan, I'm going to be just improving the wiring a little bit, getting rid of this old tape here and replacing it with some nice electrical overbraiding, which I got on Amazon, it's quite cheap. So that's pretty much it really. I'm going to try and see if I can find a one-piece air intake as well, so I can remove this joint here, give it a more cleaner look. Might bring the actual air filter back a little bit here, so get a bit more airflow around it. And that's pretty much it on this, except some cleaning. Get rid of some of this damp. So one thing I want to do as well is try and, I get a water leak in here occasionally through this wall here, so I'm going to cement along this section here, try and insulate behind the plastic as well with some polystyrene or something, just to try and keep some of the damp out. I've seen some insulating kits for the back of the doors as well, for back of garage doors, so I think I'm see if I can get one of those just to keep it a little bit drier and warm in here over the winter months. That's pretty much it for the Nissan. So the next real step on the Carina, besides a little bit more cosmetic stuff, cleaning and painting it, is refurbing the original wheel trims. It's going to be quite an easy little job. I'm just going to sand them down, give them a good couple of coats with the U-pole wheel silver, leave a nice satin finish, I think, not a gloss finish, but that'll be coming up soon. I've also managed to source a new window switch all the way from China. It's been thoroughly disinfected for COVID, as you'd expect, so I'll be fitting that, and hopefully that should fix that problem as well. That'll be coming up in another video soon. Also coming up soon, I'll be starting a guitar build and paint series. I'll be starting with this Les Paul style body. I'll be using automotive paint on it, so it might be interesting to some people on this channel. I'll be using some Epiphone antique parts as well, so that should look quite nice. I've built a few guitars before. There's a couple I built earlier. There's a video on the channel already of a few of the guitars I've actually already built, so if anyone's interested in that, I'll pop a link somewhere around here, and then you can have a look at that. So that's pretty much it really for what's coming up soon. So like I said, a quick video. Thanks for watching, and thanks to all the new subscribers who joined the channel. It's most appreciated. I hope you're going to like the new videos that are coming up soon, and the guitar videos, which are going to be a new little diversion for me on the YouTube channel. So if you've liked this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers!